Hi everybody, welcome. This is our fuel cell test station manufactured by KPAS. This is full hardware. It is used for hydrogen with PEM fuel cells. This is our system. It is controlled by the HMI. This is the electronic load bank from PT Precision. This power on switch and this and all control indicators. This is hydrogen gas pressure sensor. This oxygen pressure gauge. This is level gauge for humidification for both gases, anode and cathode. This one will be the selection of trihydrogen for dead end mode, and this one is for with the humidification mode for hydrogen and oxygen. This will be the temperature sensor port for line heater, hydrogen line heater. This one for oxygen line heaters. This is actually power connection for heaters for both. This is the actually our output gas lines. We are using line heaters for this one. We have to connect like this. Port we have to connect like this, and heater line connect like this. And the thermocouple line you have to connect like this. So it will look like this. This port we have to connect with the fuel cell. Like this line also for oxygen line. And then we have to fill the water in this port. We have to remove this. Like that, we have to remove the port. We have to fill the water up to this level. Up to this level, we have to fill double refined distilled water. We have to fill. After filling both humidification bottles, it will now we have to connect the fuel cells. Hydrogen line we have to connect. And this oxygen port. Then we have to connect the electrical heater. So cell heater we have to connect like that. Then cell heater, and we have to interconnect the fuel cell heater. This is actually cell heater. It is 230 volt operated. Then we have to connect cell thermocouple. Here we provide thermocouple insert port. It will measure the fuel cell temperature. Now it is ready for use.